Hi, it's Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org. Now, I don't know about you, but these recent events have really thrown a wrench into my homeschool. And even for my planning for the fall, I'm not exactly sure what we're going to be using. So when I learned about this new event coming in a couple of weeks, I was so excited and I wanted to hop on here and make sure all of you guys know about it as well. So it's an online party and it's hosted by Homeworks by Precept for BJU Press Homeschool. And all you have to do is register and it's totally free. So head over to homeschoolhelp.com/party. And what it's going to be is this online event from April 20th through the 24th, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time every day. And there's going to be prizes such as Amazon and Visa gift cards and homeschool curriculum, of course. There are wonderful speakers such as a couple of my favorites, Heidi St. John and Zan Tyler. There will be discounts up to 50% off, and they will do hands-on workshop showing you how to use curriculum so you could see if you think it would work for your family or not. I mean, it's exactly what I need. So be sure to head over there to register, homeschoolhelp.com/party, and I will see you there.